Go.
This cube is called Bullseye because it's got red around the cube, and then it's got red, and then in the middle, in position 5, is an orange. So it's red with orange bullseye, orange position 5. And then this side is green with a blue center. And then this side is orange with a red center. And then this side is red with the, wait, I think, no, I missed this one. This is the blue one with blue with the green center. And then on the top, it's just solid white. And then on the bottom, it's solid yellow.